And there's a froggy in Daddy's hand.
You don't like the froggy? It's a froggy. Good job.
That's a frog.
Froggies go ribbit? Go ahead. Hey. Don't bash it with anything.
That's, I think, what's coming next. He's gonna try to kill
I got
it.
a 6-foot whacking stick. I have that. It's very pointy. Here.
You don't want to play with the froggy?
You don't get frog? All right. No, you don't get this. This is a pointy thing.
You gonna play with the froggy?
Frog.
Frog. You say ribbit? Ribbit?
You're not getting this pointy stick, buddy. Frog, yeah.
Frog.